In this video, I will show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up Instagram on your device. And once you're here, what you're going to want to do first is press onto your profile in the bottom right hand corner. On your profile, what you want to do from here is click onto the edit profile button. And if you look at the bottom, you're going to see an option which says personal information settings in blue. So you want to press onto this one. From here, what you're going to want to do, you're going to get some options and you want to press onto account ownership and control. Then go ahead and press onto deactivation or deletion, and then go ahead and select your profile. Now, what you want to do is make sure that the deactivate account option is selected, not delete account, and then press the blue continue button. Finally, it's going to ask you to enter your password. And then what you need to do is just select the reason why you're deactivating your Instagram account from the options available. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I've gone ahead and selected something else. So once you've gone ahead and chosen your reason, what you want to do is press the blue continue button underneath. Finally, go ahead and press the blue deactivate account button, and it's just going to take a minute or two to run through. And you'll see what's going to happen. That's going to log you out and temporarily deactivate your account. So to reactivate your account at any point, all you need to do is simply log back into your Instagram account. So with that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial. If this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. So I just want to take a second to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.